So after I graduated, I felt a little lost. The excitement of being on the MA and all the interactivity with other writers had finished. I just wondered if other people were around too who might want to connect.
If I could afford to do another one, I would do it again.
The university has just supported me now since I was 18. It's taken me through some of the best years of my life.
It was wonderful. It's still one of my favourite experiences of my life, I would actually say, at the risk of being melodramatic.
It turns out loads of people wanted to do that.
When Sue made the alumni group, I made a point to be involved with it as much as I could because I wanted to be around creative people.
We meet up once, twice a month and we still, talk about our writing.
We're just there to support each other, answer questions, celebrate successes.
I've definitely made friends for life.